Hey everyone! Today we're building a Solana degen AI agent that apes into low market cap tokens and sends us a confirmation message of the details to our Telegram. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice and it's a high-risk scenario. There's a high probability of loss of funds. Proceed at your own risk. When you're ready, click on the New Agent button and give it a name. We'll name our agent Solana Ape Degen. Okay, so now we're inside the builder. First, we'll need to choose the AI model that will power our agent. Instead of the default DeepSeek model, this time we'll go with ChatGPT 4o, since it's a little more stable. Let's go ahead and remove DeepSeek v3 and add ChatGPT 4o. When that's done, click on the added ChatGPT 4o. For this model to work, you need to obtain and insert your API key. Then click Save. Now it's time to extend our agent's capabilities with plugins. Head to the Plugins section and click Add. The plugins we'll need for our agent are Solana Wallet, Jupiter, and Telegram. Click Install on each plugin to add it to your agent. The Solana Wallet plugin we installed also gave our agent its own wallet. To view it, scroll up, click on the agent wallet, and then Solana. You'll see the address where you should transfer some Solana so the agent has the ability to buy tokens. Now let's proceed to configure the Telegram plugin we installed. Click on it and insert your Telegram bot token. If you're unsure how to create a Telegram bot, don't worry. Head over to dev.loomlay.com and read our simple how-to Telegram bot and ID guide. Hit Save. Now it's time to add some workflows so our agent knows what to do. Start by clicking the Add button and hover over the On Repeat trigger. Click to add it. Once it's added to the Workflows view, click on it again to set it up. We can see that this workflow triggers every 60 minutes. You can adjust this value, but be aware of ChatGPT's token pricing and policies. For this tutorial, we'll leave the default value of 60 minutes. Next, select all 3 previously installed plugins from the Available Plugins drop-down menu. Let's leave the available workflows blank for now and skip this step. We'll come back to it later. Finally, let's add the workflow instructions. In this case, we want our agent to find tokens that just had their DEX screener socials paid, but still have a low market cap and some volume. For this to work, we will filter out tokens from the Solana DEX paid Telegram channel and then exclude tokens that have a higher market cap and almost no volume. When you're done adding instructions, hit Save. Now let's add another workflow which will work as a buy decision for our agent. Click the Add button, and this time we'll need to create a custom trigger workflow. These triggers can be activated by other workflows. Hover over it and click it. When it's added, click on the custom trigger again and let's set it up. Start by naming the custom trigger. Note that we should clearly name it so AI can easily recognize it. As we stated in our initial workflow, we'll name this trigger buy_decision and add a short description about what this workflow does. Select all 3 plugins the workflow will use, and let's proceed to add our instructions. Our buy decision workflow will receive the token contract from the previous run-on-repeat workflow, then check whether the agent's wallet holds this token, check the SOL balance, use 5% of SOL held in the wallet to buy the token through Jupiter, and finally, send us a confirmation message to our Telegram with the details. Save your workflow instructions and move on to the final steps. Let's go back to our run-on-repeat workflow, and from the available workflows list, select the buy_decision workflow. This grants run-on-repeat workflow the ability to trigger the buy decision workflow we created earlier and pass it the filtered out token's contract address. Let's save our workflow instructions and move on to the final step. Now it's time to publish our agent. Scroll to the very top of the page and click Publish. To enable the agent's functionality, you need to mint its NFT. Don't worry, it's a quick process and you only have to mint it once per agent. Okay, let's head to our Telegram and see if our agent aped into any tokens. And it has. Our first autonomous degen play has been confirmed. That's how easy it is to create an AI agent that does some high-risk degen plays for you on Loomlay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.